Hello to all my dear students. How are you all? I hope you must be fine at your home. So dear students, as I told you that your term 1 examination has been finished and you know very well. That is why you are very happy right now. Yes, I'm getting understand that you are very happy right now, but don't worry. Don't be happy more because your term 2 syllabus is going to start. And in previous lecture, we had discussed about the line segment, rays, all the thing that is angle, interior of angle, exterior of angle. We had discussed all the things. That was the basics of geometry. Today, let's learn about the properties of angle. Let's learn about the, you can say the different kind of angle. Let's learn about the different kinds of angle. First one is acute angle. First one is acute angle. Acute angle. Acute angle. What is the acute angle? Every time the question which is running in your mind, that what is acute angle? Acute angle means an angle which is greater than 0, less than 90, greater than 0, less than 90, that is called acute angle. I am repeating once again, listen to me very carefully. An angle which is greater than 0, less than 90, that is acute angle. That is acute angle. Now second one is right angle. Second one is right angle. Second one is right angle. Right angle means what? An angle which is equal to 90. An angle which is equal to 90. Again I am repeating. An angle which is equal to 90, that is right angle. Very good. Now third is very simple. It was both the angle was very simple. Let's see. Next angle is simple or difficult. Acute done. Right done. Now next one is obtuse angle. Obtuse angle. Obtuse angle. Obtuse angle means what? An angle which is greater than 90, but less than 180 degree. An angle which is greater than 90 degree but less than 180 degree is called the obtuse angle triangle. Again I am repeating, angle which is greater than 90 degree and less than 180 degree is called obtuse angle triangle. Now fourth angle is straight angle. Fourth angle is straight. Straight angle. Straight angle means what? An angle which is equal to 180 degree. An angle which is equal to 180 degree. An angle which is equal to 180 degree is called straight angle. Is called straight angle. And right angle was angle equal to 90 degree. Straight angle is angle equal to 180 degree. Means a complete angle, that is 180 degree. That is 180 degree. It is straight angle. Now next one, fifth. After 180 degree, next is reflex angle. Reflex angle. Reflex angle means what? An angle which is greater than 180 degree but less than 360 degree. Greater than 180 degree but less than 360 degree is called the reflex angle. An angle which is greater than 180 degree and less than 360 degree is called the reflex angle. And the last and final, that is complete angle. That is complete angle. And complete angle means whole circle. Complete angle means whole circle. It means an angle which is equal to 360 degree. Angle which is equal to 360 degree. That is complete angle. Whole circle means complete angle. First one again. I am revising once again. Acute angle, angle greater than 0 degree, less than 90 degree, acute angle. Angle equal to 90 degree, that is right angle. Angle greater than 90, less than 180 degree, obtuse angle. Fourth, angle which is equal to 180 degree, straight angle. Next one, angle which is greater to 180 degree and less than 360 degree, reflex angle. And the last and final is complete angle, angle which is equal to 360 degree. So dear student, this was the classification. You can say the classification of angle, and try to solve the exercise which is related to the classification of angle. and you will get very simple as now. So if you have any kind of doubt, then you can contact with me. Till then, bye everyone.